So I'm gonna kind of touch on who we are as a company. So who is Target Integration, what we do, and how we, function and everything, all the good stuff that you want to know. So who are we? So as it says on the screen, we were established in 2008. So we've been around for about 12 years, been working with different vendors, different software solutions and whatnot. And we pride ourselves with being vendor agnostic. So we don't, just go with one specific solution. We like touching on a couple different ones. And I will go through all our different partners that we have currently, and you'll be able to see the different softwares that we actually have on our plate. So we believe that every business should be able to leverage the full power of the business insights. What does that mean? Essentially, it just means, there's a lot of data that you have untapped. So we provide the tools for you to tap that data that you have and use it to, you know, your best advantage, and use it to your benefit, and for you to be able to essentially leverage the full power of your business insights, to be honest. So we are looking at our offices. So we have many different offices. So we're global. We have our headquarters in Ireland. We have an office in Birmingham in the United Kingdom, three in India, and also we recently expanded into the United States. Our office there is located in San Francisco. We also have a development center in Greece. So, what we essentially want to do is provide a perfect mix of quality and value. So, that is one of our core values. That's what we believe in doing. We like giving value, good value for for business owners, and ensure that you're happy with your solution and you're happy with the choices that you've made, and the improvements that we've made to your business processes, essentially. So, what do we do? So, this is just a little bit about what we do. We focus on different aspects of IT. So, we look at CRMs, ERPs, and clouds. So, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. So, we do implement different customer relationship management systems for people. And this essentially manages your customers, manages your sales, manages your customer care, and your ticketing. So it's essentially an all-in-one customer management system, as the name suggests. So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So this is an all-in-one solution. It has your manufacturing, it has your inventory, it has your point of sale system, your customer software development system. Um, it's an all-in-one solution, and it's very suitable for a lot of different kinds of businesses. And then we have cloud solutions. So what we do, we specialize in moving people to from a paper-based environment to a cloud-based environment. So we have cloud infrastructure, we have cloud SaaS and AAS, and we also do web app and mobile apps. So these are just a couple of the things that we do. We do implementations, we integrate applications from also third-party applications. We move people to a cloud-based environment. We also do customizations, we do configurations, we do it all. So that's essentially a little bit about target integration. And we believe in business automation applications which work. So these are some of our partners. You might recognize a couple. We have Cloud Yogi, Odoo, Zoho. We're a Microsoft partner. We're also a Microsoft Dynamics 365 partner. We work with Salesforce, SAP, Sage, Zendesk. WaitTech is a relatively new one. So they specialize in queue management systems, which really comes in handy during this pandemic. So it's a really interesting software. We work with Repsy, we work with Lead Squared. These are just a couple of the different partners that we have. To see the full range of partners and solutions that we offer, please refer to our website or email me if you like.
In this video, we'll be having a look at how to create profiles within Zoho CRM. There are already two default profiles. One That is the administrator profile. And this profile has access to all the features in Zoho CRM's account. And then the standard profile, this profile has limited access to the features in Zoho CRM. So let's look at how to create a profile. You want to go to your setup, which is also known as settings. Under security control, which is under users and control, you want to click on that and it'll take you to this page. Now, as you can see here, we have our default profiles, which is administrator and standard. You want to create a new profile if you have to. And you can clone a profile. So either you're an administrator or your standard. So I'm going to just clone the administrator. You can create your new profile and the profile is added. So you can now select what permissions you want to give them, what they can exactly do. So if you have a lot of people within your organization and you want to categorize them based on their profile and what permission they have within Zoho CRM, this is where you do it. So you can just click that off so they won't be able to see the leads. But here they can view, create, edit, and delete. So if you have different people within the organization, it is really good to have Zoho CRM's profile module to help you manage that. So that is how to create a basic profile within Zoho CRM. And as you can see here, you can manage what tasks, meetings, calls, reports, and turn things off and on, disable them and enable them as you wish. So they also have import and export permissions if you like. So just based on what you want to give them, what permissions you want to give them, and what you want them to be able to do, you'll be able to set that up and configure that here. So that is how to create a profile within Zoho CRM. I hope you learned something. Thank you.